Okay, I love that you said that. Hold on to that.
First grade teacher Jasmine Thompson thought it was going to be a pretty typical day.
Oh my goodness. Hi, good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see you walk in.
She was wrong. It was in fact a very special day.
Okay.
So we've got some special guests we're going to bring in.
It was her time to step into the spotlight.
Oh my gosh. What is happening?
A little recognition for all her dedication.
Hi.
Today, local news affiliate KENS 5 came out to Braun Station Elementary to present Jasmine with the Excel Award, an honor presented to some of the best educators in the area.
And on behalf of KENS 5,
Oh my gosh.
we would like to present you with our KENS 5 Excel Award.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Jasmine has spent a decade teaching and guiding children, helping to shape their lives and prepare them for what's ahead.
It's like you're watering a seed, right? I get to be a part of something that's bigger than myself. And I think the idea of that is just really amazing to me. Everybody have a seat on the floor.
For Jasmine, working with kids isn't something she just fell into, it was something she was meant to do.
How did you break your trunk? Even before I became a classroom teacher, I worked at the YMCA. I, was always surrounding myself in spaces with children because I felt like that's where my purpose was. It is a long, crazy story.
A sentiment her mom, Jerry Hall, has always agreed with.
I knew she was going to be an educator. Early on in Jasmine's life, I just knew her interaction with others. She just had a very kind spirit and soul.
When you're doing what you were born to do, you tend to take your work home with you.
Have a seat too.
Jasmine's husband, William Thompson, says teaching is in everything she does.
Okay, I want you to talk about a time where you got hurt.
Even at home, she's thinking about ways to make her classroom a better place for her kids. And William loves it.
Oh, well, she was doing it when I met her, so, I knew what I was getting myself into.
Wow, okay. Wow.
Today's surprise stirred up some pretty strong emotions in Jasmine.
Happy tears. I'm crying happy tears. I feel just a flood of emotions. I feel joy.
She felt happy and excited, but did she feel worthy? I had to ask.
Wow, what a hard question. And what happened? Did you cry?
She said there are so many teachers who work hard every day just like her, so it's hard to feel worthy. So I asked her boss, school principal Jack Funkhauser.
Jasmine is very worthy of this award. She exemplifies how to be a fantastic teacher every day. She's a fabulous person.
We're so happy you're with us in Northside. We're so happy to have you here.
Jasmine doesn't claim to know all the answers, but she does know one thing for certain.
I do realize that I'm extremely passionate about children, and I want nothing more for them to be successful and to feel loved when they're with me.
Thanks for watching this video from Northside Media Productions. Northside is San Antonio's premier school district of choice.